Hello everybody, I'm here for color of the season, Icicle. Blue is a color that is prevalent in our lives. If you look outside and look at the beautiful blue skies or look at the seas, it's really a color that is amongst us. In today's tech world, blue is a very important color on the internet. But if we look at the lighter blues, we see it more in the wellness because it's soothing our senses and it's very positive. Icicle is a pure and clean color. It portrays a sense of futurism with a crisp and clean edge. Let's start. I'm here with my model Nikki. Her background foundation was her natural color. It was on a level 6, so I pre-lightened it with Oxycur 6%. Did a silverizing on top with Colorants 10p. And now what I'm gonna do is I'm gonna do the Icicle with Elumen. Let's start. So here's the end result of color of the season Icicle. I think it's a pure and clean color. If you think, wow, I love that color and I want to create something like that, or maybe something special, then put it on your social media, put the hashtag Goldwell color of the season in it, and we would love to see what you created for us. Thank you for watching. Hope you can join us on social media and on YouTube, and hope to see you next time. Bye bye.